Stop buying expensive skins. This is about investing or trying to swing trade, making a little quick buck. Very quickly before the video starts, please join my Discord server in the link in the description. Thank you. I'm gonna talk in this video about how you can make the most profit, how you can maximize your profit by buying different items. And because expensive items, although they can be less risky, they are not more profitable. So let's just get into it. Now, we know the future of CS2. What is going to come in CS2? We recently had the CS2 limited test with release, and now we can expect either some big updates coming soon in the next few months, an operation pass, and some returning players or new player base. Because the player count is right now at 5 of 600k, not that high, so it can go up to 800k again. What we saw in the CS2 is that there was a very big hype, and basically in the top thing right here, it's a photo of the CS2 player count. So as you can see, it went up really good to 1.6 million players, and this is the same with the market cap. So that's basically the combined value of all the skins in CS2. So it also went very much up. So there's a pretty big correlation between those two, and therefore this is what we know. And this will all make sense with why you should stop buying expensive skins. So what is the current situation? Well, people are not satisfied with the game right now. Investors and traders are leaving. So if you are on Twitter, you may have seen that this was a few months ago, but a lot of traders quit and a lot of traders took breaks because of the recession that sort of happened in the CS2 market. And what this does is that a lot of investors leave, and a lot of people that have a lot of money in the game leave. So what that does is it's this sort of domino effect that a lot of more people are gonna leave the scene because they see more and more big traders leaving the CS market. So that loses a little bit of hope, and that combined with the fact that CS2 was really an anticlimax, and more players are gonna leave. But there have came a lot of new people from example Valorant, or just any people. So there has been this thing where there came more new people and some of the older people they left. So what will happen is, let's say there will be a new big update or operation. So the old players will come back to CSGO probably to at least take a look at how's the situation, and if it's good, they're gonna buy, for example, new skins. What also will happen is that new players will join, and basically what I'm trying to get to is, let's say that an old player comes back and he's gonna think, okay, this is pretty cool, then probably he's gonna want to buy some new skins. So these are going to be play skins, probably, and this is going to be the same for new players. But the new players, they never seen the game, they don't know how it works, so they're probably gonna buy very, very cheap skins, or the cheapest gloves and knives. Now the older players, they already know the game, so they're gonna buy more mid-tier skins, so more skins that can be a few $100. For example, a tiger tooth or anything like that. Okay, and here's where we're gonna talk about the money and how you can maximize your profits when you're gonna be investing for the next update or operation or anything like that. So I have made this example where these three graphs are from the CS2 hype. Well, they are all from the CS2 hype, but these three are $25 skins. So these are the most popular skins. And then you have the $80 skins, which are right here. So with this, I'm trying to show to you, just take a look at the graphs. Take a look at how fast it's going up, like how much. So as you can see, this one goes up like this goes up like this one goes up very much. And then take a look at the 80. This one goes up a little bit less. And as you can see, the volatility is a lot in these skins. And then I have a next slide, which is $400 skins and $1,000 skins. If you just take a look at these six, keep them in mind, then go to this one. You'll see that already the $400 skins, they have a lot less of a spike. This one is maybe a little bit relevant to this one, but if you take a look at this one, you will see it's not the same. These one go up very much less. So these are the $1,000 skins. These go up more or less. But what you do see is that they are more stable. So they aren't as volatile. And that's really the thing I'm talking about in order to maximize your profit. Because if you're gonna invest for a big updates or CS2 hype, you want to invest in the lower skins. Okay, here's why. I'll just show you. So you have this site called priceempire.com, and basically let's take a look at the low tier skins. So these are basically all the low tier gloves, and as you can see, like the things that are not worth that much, although these are worth a pretty good amount. But here you can see how much is this worth. So as you can see, just take a look at how fast it's going up. Then let's go to the mid tier. So these are the things that are gonna be a few $100s. It's a combined value of 80,000. Look already at the difference. If I do like this, you will see maybe it's like a 10% difference. Then we go to like the high tier. So these things are all like $1,000 and maybe more. Congnir, that's like 9k. If we take a look, now it's even less. So the thing is, it's more stable, but if you're gonna be investing for maximum profit, you want the more volatile things like this thing. And what I'm trying to explain to you is that the reason that this happens is because new players are not going to buy $1,000 skin. So that is why you should buy the lower amount of money skin. Okay, so the conclusion. Lower price skins are more volatile. So what this means is they go up more, but they also go down more. So you have to be very careful with this. But if you want to maximize your percentage of profit, buy cheaper skins. For example, cheapest knives, cheapest gloves, and low to mid tier play skins. Now, there are millions and millions of skins you can buy. For example, Racing Green Field Testes is a very good example. Overtake gloves are very nice. Bloodsport, Neo Noir, AVP, Player 2, like all of these popular play skins are good to use. What you can do in order to find these skins is go to the trending page on this site called priceempire.com. And what you will need to do is you can sort by, for example, to 60 euros, go from like 40 to 60. Or what you could do is type in gloves, and then you can see all the most popular gloves. So this is based on market cap. What is the combined value? But what you could also do is 30-day volume. That's maybe a better one. And then you can click on all of these gloves and you can see like how much did they move in the CS2 hype, how volatile are they. You can really see the difference. So in that way you can look at all these individual items. I don't know which are the best to flip, but if you really take the time to look at them, then I bet that you can find a lot of skins that are very good to buy. If this has helped you, I'd say thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.